Hi friends! Welcome to Bloop Town! I'm Splash! Today we're gonna learn about something everyone has. Feelings! When I feel happy, I smile so bright. I jump and giggle, what a delight! Hi friends! Today let's talk about the feelings we all know. Every feeling's okay, so let's learn and grow.
When I feel sad, that's okay too. A hug can help, and so can you.
When I feel angry, I take a deep breath. In through my nose and out. That's the best. When I feel scared, I hold on tight. A trusted friend makes it all feel right. When I feel excited, I wiggle and cheer. Something so fun is finally here. When I feel calm, my body feels still, quiet, and peaceful. A lovely, gentle chill. Happy, sad, angry, or scared, every feeling means you're loved and cared. Happy, sad, angry, scared, excited, calm too. All of my feelings, and all of yours too. Thanks for learning about feelings with me today. Remember, every feeling is okay. Bye-bye, friends! If you liked this video, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fun videos with Splash in Bloop Town.